The animal of the day, September 29th, is the Chinese giant salamander, or the binomial name Andreas davidianus. Type: amphibian, salamander. Diet: carnivore. Average lifespan: as long as 60 years. Size: 3.8 feet in length. Weight: 55 to 66 pounds. Population status currently, September 29, 2024. Critically endangered. Population estimate: less than 50,000 individuals. Native lands: central China. Primary habitat: rocky, mountain rivers and large streams. Main predators: otters, foxes, weasels, and badgers. Active time: nocturnal. Species age: over 170 million years old. Young name: Eft. Group name: a herd or congress. Notes: the Chinese giant salamander is one of the largest salamanders and one of the largest amphibians in the world. This salamander is fully aquatic and is endemic to central China along the Yangtze River basin. Although they will catch prey on land, the Chinese giant salamander is considered a living fossil, and although it is protected, the wild population has declined by more than an estimated 80% since the 1950s. There are only 5 to 6 extant species of large, fully aquatic salamanders, including the Chinese giant salamander, within the family Cryptobranchide. The Chinese giant salamander has a large head, small eyes and dark wrinkly skin. Its flat, broad head has a wide mouth, round lidless eyes, and a line of paired tubercles that run around its head and throat. The Chinese giant salamander is typically dark brown with a mottled or speckled pattern, but it can also be other brownish tones, dark reddish or black. Albinos, which are white or orange, have been recorded. All species of giant salamanders produce a sticky, white skin secretion that repels predators. Chinese giant salamanders can reach up to 110 pounds and 5.9 feet in length, being the second largest amphibian species, after the South China giant salamander. The Chinese giant salamander consumes insects, millipedes, horsehair worms, amphibians, freshwater crabs, shrimp, fish, and Asiatic water shrew. These salamanders will also cannibalize frequently. This salamander has very poor eyesight, so it depends on special sensory nodes that run in a line on the body from head to tail. Water temperatures at 95 degrees Fahrenheit are lethal to these salamanders. Chinese giant salamanders are capable of fasting for several years if needed to due to their metabolic reserves and their liver. Females will lay 400 to 500 eggs in an underwater breeding cavity, which is guarded by the male until the eggs hatch after 50 to 60 days. Every day is a new animal, so come back for more.